Today we have with us our business person, Mr. Fayaz, with his queries regarding certain UAE VAT details. Hello, Mr. Fayaz. I'm Rebecca. So may I know your queries regarding the same?
Now I have a question regarding how tax group registration could be helpful to my business.
Tax grouping for VAT purposes is an administrative easement available to businesses and a revenue protection measure for the government. A tax group is issued one VAT TRN number for use by all group members, and only one tax return is required for all group members. One of the biggest advantages when it comes to the tax group registration is that a parent company is issued only one VAT TRN number, and all the subsidiary companies of the parent company will use the same TRN number. The effect of a tax group registration is that all members of the company are treated as a single taxable person for all VAT purposes. But just like everything has pros and cons here and there, a very important thing to note when it comes to the tax group registration is that members of a tax group are severally and jointly liable for all VAT debts and any other such obligations for the period during which they were members. That means when a business has left a tax group, it still continues to remain liable for the period of the membership.
That's pretty insightful. So how can the TRN number be linked with the customs registration?
Now, when it comes to the TRN being linked with the customs registration, all companies holding a valid license to import has to link their TRN with the customs registration. Now, when it comes to the TRN being linked with the customs registration, all you have to do is navigate on the VAT tab on the FTA e-services portal and click on VAT 301 Import Declaration Form for VAT payments, wherein you enter the port of entry, declaration number, declaration date, and fetch your TRN number. Complete the declaration process and submit the form, and that's when your TRN gets linked with the customs registration. But most of all, why is it important for the TRN to be linked with the customs authority? It is because imports are not subject to VAT. It is in fact subject to the RCM, that is, the reverse charge mechanism. In simple words, we do not pay VAT on imports, and all our imports automatically get updated with the FTA. And that's where this segment comes to an end. I hope you found this pretty informative. Until we meet again, stay tuned for our upcoming episodes.